Benefits of garlic. Did you know that the benefits of garlic extend beyond the kitchen? Today, I'll be sharing some of the information about this natural wonder from the research article published by the National Institute of Health and the US Department of Agriculture. So exactly what is garlic? Garlic is a bulbous plant that grows up to be around 4 feet in height. It is easy to grow and can be grown indoor or outdoors. It is the world's most widely used herb and is used for everything from cooking to medicine. It is found in almost every country and is used in everything from bread to beer since ancient times. There is clear evidence that in the ancient world, Babylonian, Indian, and Egyptian cultures referred to garlic 4,500 to 5,000 years ago, and Chinese about 2,000 years ago. We are now going to look at some of the research articles posted on the National Institute of Health site. About 1,000 years ago, Avicenna, in his well-known book Al-Qanun fil Tibb, The Canon of Medicine, recommended garlic as a useful compound in the treatment of arthritis, toothache, chronic cough, constipation, parasitic infestation, snake and insect bites, gynecologic diseases, and infectious diseases as antibiotic. Several experimental and clinical investigations suggest many favorable effects of garlic and its preparations. These effects have been largely attributed to reduction of risk factors for cardiovascular diseases, reduction of cancer risk, antioxidant effect, antimicrobial effect, enhanced detoxification of foreign compound, reduced blood pressure, prevention of liver damage, reduced insulin resistance, prevention of giardiasis, which is a diarrheal disease caused by a parasite, and lowering of cholesterol and triglyceride. So how do you add garlic to your daily diet? To season the garlic, just smash a clove by pressing it down with a knife. Raw garlic contains the most potent and advantageous allicin compound. Garlic paste is one of the most widely used forms of the herb. Fresh or dried, garlic is minced before being combined with the liquids such as water, oil, vinegar, or even milk to create garlic paste. Blending garlic with cilantro, vinegar, honey, lemon juice, and crushed pepper makes a great salad dressing also. In Indian cuisine, where it may be used in practically every dish, it is frequently used as a condiment. So from side effect perspective, eating raw garlic may cause breath and body odor, heartburn, and upset stomach. Some people also have allergic reaction to garlic. If you're on blood thinners, let your healthcare provider know if you're planning to take garlic supplements. So, although garlic is believed to be a safe substance, the exact mechanism of all ingredients and their long-term effects are not really understood fully. We need to do long-term and large-scale trials to really evaluate the differences in mortality and the adverse events, morbidity of cancer and cardiovascular diseases after garlic therapy. So in conclusion, I would like to say that I by no means am an expert on this topic, but these are my findings from the articles posted on the National Institute of Health and US Department of Agriculture sites. So take charge of your health. Talk with your healthcare provider about any health approach you want to take. Together, you can make shared, well-informed decisions. So thank you for watching. Share your comments about what your experience has been with the use of garlic in your daily diet. And if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel.